Welcome to Tech Talk. Today we're diving into a question that's been buzzing around the tech world. Are foldable phones the future, or just a flashy tech trend? Stick around to find out if they're really worth the hype. Let's begin with a quick look at how far foldable phones have come. Just a few years ago, the idea of folding screens seemed like science fiction. But today they're not only a reality, they're slowly carving out a niche in the smartphone market. Companies like Samsung, Huawei, and now even Google have jumped on board, releasing models that aim to redefine our mobile experience. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, for example, has set a high bar in terms of design and functionality, showcasing what foldable technology can offer. Moreover, Motorola has also stirred nostalgia by revamping its iconic Razr model into a modern foldable phone, blending classic design with futuristic technology. Even lesser-known brands like Royole have entered the competition, offering innovative models like the FlexPi, which was actually the first commercially available foldable phone. First, let's talk about foldable phones. Unlike traditional smartphones, foldables offer a dynamic form factor that allows multiple uses. When closed, they fit comfortably in your pocket, but when opened, they transform into a mini tablet. This dual functionality is particularly appealing to tech enthusiasts who want more screen space without lugging around a larger device. For instance, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip provides a compact design when closed and a full-sized smartphone screen when open. This flexibility is attractive for professionals who wish to multitask on the go, or for consumers who want a device that caters to both work and leisure. Imagine being able to fold your phone into a convenient stand mode for hands-free video calls or presentations. The innovation doesn't stop there. Companies are exploring tri-fold designs, which could further enhance multitasking capabilities in the future. Additionally, there's the intriguing possibility of rollable screens, with LG and other companies reportedly working on prototypes that can extend or retract, offering even more versatility. Another major point is that foldable phones showcase. The development of these devices has required significant advancements in materials and engineering. For instance, the screens are typically made of ultra-thin glass or advanced polymers to withstand the constant bending and flexing. Samsung's ultra-thin glass technology is an excellent example of this innovation, offering both durability and a premium feel. Additionally, these phones often come equipped with top-of-the-line processors and cameras, ensuring that the performance isn't compromised despite the complex design. The Huawei Mate X's, for instance, boasts a powerful Kirin 990 processor, making it not just a novelty, but a powerhouse in its own right. On the horizon, we see the integration of even more sophisticated technologies like under-display cameras and enhanced AI functionalities designed to optimize battery use and screen performance. Interestingly, the foldable phone market is also seeing innovations in battery technology, with companies exploring new ways to create flexible batteries that can bend along with the device, potentially increasing battery life and efficiency. However, one cannot ignore the foldable phones are at the premium end of the market, often costing significantly more than their non-foldable counterparts. This pricing can be a major deterrent for many consumers who are hesitant to spend such a large amount on what still feels like an emerging technology. For example, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 launched with a starting price of around $1,800 in the US, which is nearly double the cost of flagship models like the iPhone 13 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy S21. The high price not only reflects the cost of advanced materials and technology, but also the current limited production scale. As production increases and technology matures, these prices might decrease, but that remains to be seen. Interestingly, some industry experts predict that as more manufacturers enter the market, competitive pricing could make foldables more accessible in the next few years. Also, we can't ignore potential shifts in consumer behavior. As foldables become more common, we might see a change in what consumers are willing to pay for innovation versus traditional functionality. Now, let's consider the concerns. Early foldable models faced criticism for their fragility, with issues like screen creasing and hinge durability. Over time, manufacturers have improved these aspects, but concerns remain. For instance, while Samsung has made significant improvements with its third-generation fold and flip models, offering water resistance and improved hinge technology, questions about long-term durability are still prevalent. Consumer reports and tech reviewers often stress test these devices, highlighting that while current models are more robust, they may still not match the durability of traditional smartphones. This potential issue makes some consumers wary of investing in foldable technology. Anecdotes from users who have experienced malfunctioning hinges or screen damage over time serve as cautionary tales, emphasizing the importance of handling these devices with care. Additionally, retailers and manufacturers are exploring extended warranty programs to provide consumers with more confidence in their investment, which could be a game-changer in customer satisfaction. Lastly, let's discuss the required for foldables. The unique form factor of these devices demands a tailored user interface to fully capitalize on their capabilities. Developers have been working to optimize apps for the foldable experience, ensuring seamless transitions from small to large screen modes. Google's involvement in the foldable market with its Pixel Fold is expected to drive more app optimization, given Android's widespread use. Already, apps like YouTube, Microsoft Office, and Google Maps have features specifically designed for foldable screens, enabling a richer multitasking experience. Looking ahead, we expect more developers to join the foldable bandwagon, crafting apps that exploit the unique capabilities of these devices, such as split-screen usage or enhanced gesture controls. Furthermore, with the rise of 5G technology, foldable phones could revolutionize mobile gaming and streaming, offering a larger, more immersive screen for users without compromising on portability. So, are foldable phones worth the hype? The answer isn't straightforward. If you're a tech enthusiast who values cutting-edge technology and design, the appeal of foldables is undeniable. They offer a glimpse into a future where devices are more versatile, adapting to various needs and situations. However, if budget, durability, and app compatibility are significant concerns, you might want to wait until these issues are further ironed out. One could compare the current foldable market to the early days of smartphones, initially expensive and exclusive, but gradually becoming mainstream as the technology develops. As foldables become more integrated into our daily lives, we might also see new use cases emerge, potentially making them indispensable tools for both personal and professional environments. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect more innovative features and potentially lower prices, drawing in a broader audience. Whether they become mainstream or remain a niche product, foldable phones are undoubtedly pushing the boundaries of what we expect from our mobile devices. They represent a blend of practicality and innovation, hinting at a future where our gadgets can do more than we ever imagined. It's a thrilling time for technology, as we might soon witness a revolution in how we interact with our devices on a daily basis. Thanks for watching Tech Talk. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of foldable phones, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you ready to make the switch to a foldable phone, or will you stick with your trusty flat screen? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech savvy.